Have you ever wondered about the golden elixir for your well-being? Today, we're embarking on a journey to unveil the wonders of macadamia nut oil, the luxurious and nourishing gift from nature. Hailing from the lush macadamia nut trees, this oil is a powerhouse of benefits, from promoting radiant skin to bolstering heart health. It's a true treasure chest of wellness that's been embraced for its myriad of benefits. So, what makes this oil a treasure trove of wellness? Let's delve into the heart of its benefits. At the heart of macadamia nut oil are its profound health benefits. This golden elixir, brimming with monounsaturated fats, is a champion for heart health, potentially lowering the risk of heart disease. But the benefits don't stop at your heart. The oil is a powerhouse of antioxidants, including vitamin E, that wage a war against free radicals, safeguarding your cells from damage. It's like having a personal bodyguard for your cells. When it comes to your skin, macadamia nut oil is a moisturizing marvel. Deeply hydrating, it may enhance skin elasticity and diminish the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Think of it as your own fountain of youth. The anti-inflammatory properties of this oil work wonders as well, soothing inflammation and promoting overall skin health. It's like a comforting hug for your skin. And let's not forget your hair. As a hair treatment, it can nourish and fortify hair strands, adding a lustrous shine and taming frizz. It's like a spa treatment for your locks. Even weight management gets a boost from this oil. Its monounsaturated fats could promote satiety, aiding in weight management. The benefits extend to your digestive system as well, as the oil is gentle on the stomach and could support a healthy gut. Moreover, it contains traces of calcium and phosphorus, essential for robust bones and teeth. The antioxidants and nutrients in the oil can also give your immune system a boost, contributing to overall wellness. Lastly, when used in aromatherapy, it may help in promoting relaxation and stress relief. From nourishing your skin to supporting your heart, macadamia nut oil truly is a golden elixir for your well-being. Intrigued by the benefits and wondering how to incorporate this golden elixir into your daily life? Well, macadamia nut oil is a versatile companion that can seamlessly blend into your routine. In the kitchen, it's a flavorful addition to salads, stir-fries, and baking. Its high smoke point also makes it a healthier choice for frying. In your skincare regimen, apply a few drops to the face and body for a nourishing moisturizer. It's also an excellent oil for a relaxing massage, soothing your skin and your senses. For your hair, it can be used as a deep conditioning treatment, adding shine and reducing frizz. And let's not forget, this oil isn't just about personal benefits. It's sustainably sourced, making it a choice that's good for you and the environment. Embrace the power of nature and make macadamia nut oil your partner in your journey towards health and vitality.